na-amasị. Ekene m unu na-asị unu nnọọ na Igbo Online College. Hello Igbo and all lovers of Igbo, I welcome you back to Igbo Online College, where you learn the Igbo language, literature and culture. Okay, today I am going to be talking about verbs of movement. In my last video, I started with the verb to come, ịbịa, bịa, and the rest. Today, I'm still going to continue with bịa, but in the negative form. Then we talk about other verbs of movement, other movement verbs. So let's delve right into it. So bịa is positive, come, bịa. When I want to say don't come, I say abịala or abịana. Abịala, abịana. It's just dialectal difference. They are the same thing. Some parts of Igbo will say abịala. Some will say abịana. They are the same thing. So if you want to say don't come, you say abịala or abịana. Then we go over to other examples. Ọ na-abịa is positive. He or she is coming. Ọ naghị abịa. Ọ naghị abịa. He or she is not coming. She isn't coming. He isn't coming. It isn't coming. Ọ naghị abịa. Can you say that? Ọ naghị abịa. Very good. He or she did not come. He or she or it didn't come. You say ọ bịaghị. Ọ bịaghị. You can also say ọ bịarọ. Ọ bịarọ. Ọ bịaghị. Anyone you choose, you can use. Ọ bịaghị. Ọ bịarọ. They mean the same thing. He, she, or it didn't come, did not come. Ọ bịarọ. He or she doesn't want to come. Ọ chọghị ịbịa. Ọ chọghị ịbịa. Ọ chọghị ịbịa. You can also say ọ chọrọ ịbịa. Ọ chọrọ ịbịa. Ọ chọrọ, she doesn't want, he doesn't want. Ọ chọrọ, ọ chọghị, he or she does not want. So you say ọ chọghị ịbịa. Ọ chọghị ịbịa. Ọ chọrọ ịbịa. Is that all right? Ọ bịaghị, ọ bịarọ. You remember that? Ha bịaghị, they didn't come. Ha bịarọ, unu abịaghị, you guys did not come. Unu abịarọ. Remember, it's just dialectal differences. They are ro and ege. They are negative markers. They mean the same thing. Negative is just dialects. So you can add ro, re, o, or re, e to your verb root to indicate negative. Alright, ha bịaghị, ha anaghị abịa. Ị bịaghị, ị bịarọ. You didn't come. Ị bịaghị, ị bịarọ. You didn't come. Kedu ihe mere na ị bịarọ? Why didn't you come? Anyị abịaghị, we did not come. Anyị abịarọ, we didn't come. Anyị achọghị ịbịa, we don't want to come. Anyị achọghị ịbịa. Unu achọghị ịbịa. You guys do not want to come. Nkechi achọghị ịbịa. Nkechi does not want to come. Nne m abịaghị. My mother didn't come. Ụmụnne m abịaghị. My siblings didn't come. Ụmụnne m abịarọ. My siblings didn't come. Do you get that? Now, you can ask questions turning these sentences into questions. Yes, by applying a low tone on the pronouns, you change a statement to question. Example, ọ bịara, he or she came. Ọ bịara. Did you notice the difference? Ọ bịara, he or she came. Ọ bịara, did he or she come? Ọ bịara, did he or she come? Ha bịara. Ha bịara. Sorry. Ha bịara. Ha bịara. Ha abịara. Did they come? You notice the addition of vowel as a prefix to the verb when you're using ha, the third person pronoun. Ha abịara. Ha abịara. Ha abịara. Did they come? Ha abịarọ. Ha abịaghị. Ha ọbịaghị. Ha ọbịaghị. Ha abịaghị. Didn't they come? Ha abịaghị. Didn't they come? You notice a slaw on the pronoun. You can also say ọ na ha abịaghị. Ọ na ha abịarọ. When you want to ask, did they not come? Ọ na ha abịarọ. You can also say ha abịaghị. Ha abịaghị. If that is difficult for you, say ọ bụ na ha abịarọ. Did they not come? Ọ na ha abịaghị. Did they not come? Anyone you choose is just a question of dialect. But note this, anyone you choose, any Igbo person, every Igbo person understands you. Every Igbo person, any Igbo person will understand you perfectly. So just stick to what works for you. If you cannot use a re, because some people find it difficult to pronounce that, you use ro, re, o, obiaro, obiaro, habiaro. All right, we go over to other movement verbs. When you want to say go home, go home, go home, you say na, or la, begi, na begi, go to your house, go home, go to your home, go to your house. La begi, na begi, go to your house or go to your home. These are dialectal differences. I keep on reminding you. They mean the same thing. Ne and le doesn't matter. Just note that they mean the same thing. Onala, he or she has gone home. Onago, he or she has gone home. Onala, onago, the same thing. Onala, onago, he or she has gone home. Uche anala, Uche has gone home. Uche anago, Uche has gone home. It could also mean that the person is dead. When you say onala, the person has gone, died. Onago, the person has gone. You can also use it to mean I am finished. Anago, Anna, I'm finished. Anna, I'm finished. Hey! Anamo, I'm finished. Analam, I'm finished. Anago, I'm finished. Onago, he or she is finished. So it could mean gone home, go home, dead, the person is dead or the person is finished. Maybe something happened where I'm finished. Then another verb of movement is ịga. Ịga. The verb to go. Ịga, the verb to go. Ịga. So you can say, ọ na-aga ahịa. He or she is going to the market. James na-aga n'ụlọ ahịa. James is going to the mall. Nkechi na-aga ụlọ ọgwụ. Nkechi is going to the hospital. Nwa m na-aga akwụkwọ. My child is going to school. Ana m aga ọrụ. I am going to work. Ana m aga ọrụ. I am going to work. Ị naghị aga ọrụ. You are not going to work. Ị gaghị ọrụ. You didn't go to work. Ị garọ ọrụ. You didn't go to work. You cannot ọrụ can also, you can say ọlụ, work, ọlụ. So you can say gaa ahịa, go to the market. Gaa ahịa, go to the market. Ị garọzi ahịa. You didn't go to the market again. Ị garọzi ahịa. You didn't go to the market again. Ọ garọzi ahịa. He, she did not go to the market again. Ọ garọzi. You notice the z, that addition means again. Eventually, he or she did not go to the market. Ọ garọzi ahịa. Ọ gaala ahịa. Ọ gago ahịa. He or she has gone to the market. Ọ gabago. She has gone already. Ọ gaala ahịa. She has gone to the market. Ọ gabeghị. She has not gone. Ọ gabeghị. She has not gone. He has not gone. Ị gabeghị. You have not gone. Ị gabeghị. Unu agabeghị. You guys have not gone. Anyị agabeghị. We have not gone. Anyị agabeghị. We've not gone to the said place. Anyị agabeghị. But if you want to say we have not gone home, anyị alabeghị. Anyị alabeghị or anyị anabeghị, whichever one. So na indicates going home and ga indicates going to a place, whichever place. It could be market, it could be, you cannot say ana m aga be ya, I'm going to his or her house. Ana m aga be ya, I'm going to his or her house. Ana m aga agbamakwụkwọ, I'm going to a wedding. I'm attending a wedding. Ana m aga agbamakwụkwọ. Amen. Silence. Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? By the way, have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, please do so immediately. And don't forget to share this video. Alright, kedu ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ị gara? Where did you go to? Kedu ebe ị gara? Where did you go to? Kedu ebe ị ga-aga? Where will you go to? Remember, let me also say this. Ịga and ije, they mean the same thing. You can use, they are synonymous. You can use ije instead of ịga. Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Ijeghị, you did not go. Ijero, you did not go. So anyone you choose to use, you use. Ịga, ije, ọ na-eje, ọ na-aga, ọ na-eje ahịa. He or she is going to the market. Nne m jere ahịa. My mother went to the market. Achọrọ m ije ahịa. I want to go to the market. Achọrọ m ịga ahịa. I want to go to the market. Achọrọ m ịga n'ụlọ ahịa. I want to go to the mall. Achọrọ m ije n'ụlọ ahịa. I want to go to the mall. Did you get that? So I want you to start forming these sentences. Just speak around these verbs, and you will notice that with time you'll be used to saying it. You can even form your own. You want to go, in fact, if you want to speak Igbo and you do not know some of the vocabularies to use, just use the construction. At the end, you can use the English vocabulary you know. That is the place. For instance, you can say achọrọ m ịga, for instance, let me say airport. Achọrọ m ịga airport. Achọrọ m ịga ọdụ ụgbọelu. That is what airport is in Igbo. But you don't know how to say airport in Igbo. You can just say achọrọ m ịga airport. Achọrọ m ịga motor park. It will make you to know a lot of sentences, to use Igbo as much as you want to use them. Don't wait till the whole sentence is Igbo. You can just add other vocabularies before you realize it, before you know what is happening. You are a pro in Igbo. So please follow us on Facebook at Igbo Online College, Instagram Igbo Online College. Let's continue to learn Igbo. Maka na Igbo na-atọwa ntị. Gaa n'ihu na-asụ Igbo. Ka emesịa.